How to remove fridge odor and smells that are really bad, cleaning tips from a professional cleaner. Spring clean your kitchen refrigerator and deodorize and deep clean your appliance with these easy-to-follow instructions. Working in the cleaning industry, we hear our fridge smells bad, what can I do to get rid of the smell, all the time. It's surprisingly a very common problem. To prevent future occurrences of bad smell from refrigerators, ensure that you use airtight containers when storing food. It will help keep the food fresh for long and prevent spills which lead to bad fridge odors. On a weekly basis, ensure that you check and discard any expired food. This practice also reduces the likelihood of encountering an awful smell from your refrigerator.